Marasa cibo kasai kecil kenyu kuibo ramga lungkulu zenga sultanai.
Aliyo bukan musim madu, aliyo bukti play madungnya, kita aliyo signal madung, aliyo kan kamu sih bukan nanti lagi pulang kan, nanti tak pernah buat.
Na lungsi bulyu dai mai liang mai pui naga rong di Imphal unit ki president ni ngashi asi akhoi liang mai especially akhoi Imphal unit and then Kobru range women union khoi mayam punchal laga akhoi ki 6 asi jenims ki mok ta khoi mayam lakchabni akhoi amna pain ja da ba yamna nungai ta ba hongdok po oina akhoi gi 6 mi mayam na tashu tanare news ta moi gi condition asi how they were mutilated ko moi gi body piece oina later show akhoi gi brother taruk se shida leye haibase akhoi moi bung ngai ba oina lai khrum raga ngashi akhoi Imphal unit and then Kobru range ki women mayam la aga lai khrum raga akhoi ngashi program macha macha thakhi bini ngashi se adu aina haining basina speechless. I'm very speechless. Expression shu thokpa haitre yamna brutally ko mi mayam na ure heinous crimes asi yamna adum hat pasida yamna shocking oiba wa shu ngang ba haita bagi phibam da dum lae adubu ngashi akoina lakriba mayam akoi mayam se justice shall prevail habase haininge. And one message for all the perpetrators, for all the murderers, I should say murderers ko, though their bodies are cut into pieces, they are the 6 brothers are still lying there inside a morgue, but we will be beside them. Akoy singa shikhat na akoy Imphal unit to oroshu ado atokpa nearby akoy naga mayam naga haibatam naga mayam punchalaga akoy ngai gani haibasinga shina shu akoy adumaina decision asi low khibani low kre aduga we won't leave them alone, and then we will stand for justice. We will be there for them, and then just last but not the least, justice haibase shall prevail ko aphaba thabak haibase aphaba phattaba thabak toba kanana phattaba thabak tobra haibase loina ishor na khange, and then justice gidamag akoy mayam asida lakmina. Thank you so much.